against Oftana. A lot of college matchups
Oo nga
we are seeing here. Banquero from the outside, 5 points for him.
One stop and one deflection rather.
Dario in his bag. Ooh, from the outside, Diego Dario. Almazan.
Nice pick and roll action again with the extra pass in the corner.
Taking a little too much time here is Meralco. Banquero out. Brimo from the corner. Butter.
That's when RHJ got caught falling asleep there on the weak side. Good relocation by Brimo. Ganda ng pasa niya dyan. Easy shot for Brimo. He's picking his spots better. Already, safe to say, has had a better game than last outing where they lost to San Miguel.